Hello everyone, here in this video I am going to show you that how you can display selected color images in your Shopify store product page. So for say example, I have this product page and you can see that I have multiple color swatches and also I have multiple images displayed here with different colors. I am interested to display only specific color images here in the thumbnails. So for say example, these two are those images which are purple. If I selected purple swatch, that means I only want to see here purple images. So in the same way, if I am choosing this one like orange, so only orange color images should be displayed here and rest of the images should hide. So how I can solve this problem? So let me show you step by step. First of all, you should go back to the dashboard of your Shopify store, and I have installed Horizon theme. If you have any other free theme, I have already uploaded the code for all different themes, so you can find the link below in the description. First of all, you should download the code. I have already given the link below in the description. So once you are downloading it, you will be getting these two files, and let me open documentation.txt. In this file, I have already given all the steps. So let's follow the first step, which is update all text of images in the gallery for each product. So that means you should go back to the dashboard, click on products. So I have taken the example of winter hoodies. So let's see this product, and here you can see that we have gallery of images, and here you can also see that we have colors, different colors, for example white, blue, orange and purple. So according to the color names, we are going to change the alt text for all these images which are inside the gallery. Let's say I am selecting this image, and here you can see that in the alt text I have already added the color name which is purple. Similarly for other images, here this is blue color, so I have added here blue color. So here I have already given the alt text as blue. So that is actually the color name. Similarly, I have this one which is white, and in the same way we have orange. And if I'm going to the next, here you can see that this is also the purple. So similarly, you can do all these changes for all the images which are inside the gallery, and make sure that you are going to do for all the products which you have in your list. Alright, once you have done this specific change, then after you should go back to the documentation, and here we have the second step, which is go to snippets and open this specific file, slideshow controls.liquid. So let me copy this file name here and go back and click on online store, and then you can see that we have these three dots. Click on it and then click on edit code. Here in the edit code, you should click on snippets, and other than that you also have the option of search. You can also click here and paste that name of the file, and you can see that we have slideshow controls.liquid. So just click on that, and then you will see that the code of the file is here. And again go back, and we have actually this loop. We need to find this loop first. So let me search using Control F or maybe Command F, and then after inside of this loop you can see that we have this button tag. So inside of this button tag, this is actually the opening tag. Just above this closing bracket, you should paste this line of code. So basically this is an attribute which we are adding here to identify the button which is actually displaying the image. Once you have done that, then after we have the third step, which is add below code at the bottom of same file, slideshow controls.liquid. So basically we are going to paste the code which is down below in the bottom of this same file. So scroll down to the bottom, and here I'm going to paste it, and then save the changes. Then after you should go back to the dashboard, and here you need to click on edit theme. And here for say example, I have chosen the product which is this one, actually the hoodie. So let me show you, and here you can see that that specific change already applied. So basically you need to make small changes here. Here click on product media and choose carousel, and also in the desktop pagination choose thumbnail, and here we have bottom, left and right. So whatever you want you can actually apply it. So I have applied for now the bottom, and then you should also click on uncheck this specific option which is hide unselected variant image. Once you have done all these changes, and also make sure that you have to click on variant picker, and here I have chosen swatch. All right, and that's it. You should go back and then refresh this page. Here we go. Now you can see that on this page, orange, when orange is selected, that means only orange images are displayed. If I am choosing blue, then only blue color images are displayed, and if I am choosing purple, then you can see that only purple images are displayed, and if I am choosing white, then only white. Let's say I am also checking the mobile view. So here in the mobile view, I don't have thumbnails. If I am interested to display the thumbnails, so how I will do that? Click on product media, and in the mobile pagination, you should choose thumbnails and then save the changes. And then you should refresh this page. And here we go. Now you can see that only specific color images are displayed here. All right. So this is looking so much beautiful now. And earlier we only had all those images displayed. So that's how you can actually solve this issue. If you're facing any issues or something, you can definitely ask me. I will help you out in that. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel. Also like this video. If you have any new feature to develop, then definitely you can comment me or maybe directly message me. I will help you in that. So thank you so much once again. See you in the next video.